Video creation is an essential part of modern-day digital marketing. The use of videos to market and promote a business, product, or service has proven to be very effective. However, video production can be a daunting task, especially for those who have no experience in video editing. Fortunately, Pictory AI has come to the rescue with its powerful video creation tools. This video will show you how to make videos using Pictory AI. What is Pictory AI? Pictory AI is a video creation platform that uses artificial intelligence to create high-quality videos quickly and easily. The platform is designed for people who do not have any video editing experience. Pictory AI makes it easy for businesses, marketers, and individuals to create professional-looking videos that can be used for marketing, social media, or any other purpose. How to make a video using Pictory AI. 1. Sign up for Pictory AI. To use Pictory AI, you will need to sign up for an account. You can sign up for a free account on the Pictory AI website. Once you have signed up, you will be able to access the video creation tools. 2. Choose a template. Pictory AI offers a wide range of video templates that you can use to create your video. The templates are categorized based on the type of video you want to create, such as product videos, social media videos, explain the videos. Choose a template that best fits your needs. 3. Customize your video. Once you have selected a template, you can customize it to make it unique to your brand. You can add text, images, and video clips to the template. Pictory AI also offers a library of stock footage that you can use in your video. 4. Add music. Music is an essential part of a video. Pictory AI offers a library of royalty-free music that you can use in your video. You can select a music track that fits the tone of your video. 5. Preview and edit. Once you have added all the elements to your video, you can preview it to see how it looks. If there are any changes you want to make, you can edit the video until you are satisfied with the result. 6. Export your video. Once you are satisfied with the video, you can export it. Pictory AI allows you to export the video in various formats, such as MP4 or GIF. You can then share the video on social media, your website, or any other platform. Conclusion. Pictory AI is an excellent tool for creating high-quality videos quickly and easily. With its easy-to-use interface and powerful video creation tools, anyone can create a professional-looking video without any video editing experience. Follow the steps outlined in this video to create your video using Pictory AI. With a little creativity, you can make a video that will grab the attention of your audience and help you achieve your marketing goals. Now, if you're already sold on Pictory AI, then I have some great news for you. By using my referral code, CoolDeep55, you can get up to 20% off your subscription until cancelled. All you have to do is sign up using my referral code, and you'll get a discount on your subscription. It's that simple. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll consider subscribing to Pictory AI using my referral code CoolDeep55.